Hi everyone. Welcome to today's exploration into the world of Power BI, where we'll uncover some fantastic tips and tricks that can supercharge your data analytics game. Let's start with a powerful feature, natural language analysis. Have you heard of the AI-driven Q&A? It's a visual tool that enables you to interact with your data using natural language. You simply ask questions, and it generates instant insights. Want to know the total revenue over the last 3 years? Just type it in, and you'll get precise figures. But the coolest part? You can refine queries on the fly, getting even more specific insights like the state with the highest number of banks. And it's incredibly intuitive, understanding your data fields to help you craft better questions. Adding synonyms and reviewing questions in the Q&A setup is an essential aspect of leveraging the AI capabilities in Power BI. These actions enhance the understanding and responsiveness of the Q&A feature to users' queries. Moving on to Smart Narrative, an AI-driven summarization tool. It can save you hours by automatically generating a summary of your data trends. It's a fantastic way to quickly grasp what's happening in your business without diving deep into the data yourself. And it's editable, so you can fine-tune it to your needs. Now, let's talk about how you can gain access to preview features. Did you know Power BI has a trove of upcoming functionalities? By simply toggling them on in the settings, you can experience the latest enhancements before anyone else. But what if the built-in visuals aren't enough? Cue custom visuals. Power BI allows you to bring in your custom visuals, expanding your reporting possibilities exponentially. You can find and import hundreds of additional visuals to tailor your reports exactly to your needs. And let's not forget about filters. Filtering data in Power BI is versatile. From simple visuals to complex dashboards, you can filter by customer, product, or any other criteria across multiple visualizations with ease. The flexibility in filtering options can help you get to the heart of your data swiftly. Let's explore Power Query Data Preview, your essential tool for ensuring data quality before it enters Power BI. Access it by clicking Transform Data in the Home tab. This launches the Power Query Editor, your gateway to data refinement. Within this tool, the green line beneath each column header indicates data validity, ensuring completeness and accuracy. Access a suite of tools through the context menu, offering anomaly detection and data cleanup options. Navigate the View tab for diverse insights. Toggle between column-wise views, distribution summaries, and statistical insights, empowering comprehensive data validation. Let's explore the QR code feature in Power BI, a simple yet powerful tool to facilitate easy report access. Once your report is published on the Power BI web service, access the QR code option by clicking the File menu and selecting Generate QR Code from the dropdown. This feature creates a scannable QR code for your report. When exporting your Power BI report to PowerPoint, you have a choice: embedding an image or the more dynamic option, embedding live data. By selecting the live data option, you can copy the report page link from Power BI and insert it into PowerPoint. This dynamic embedding ensures your presentation contains real-time, interactive data that can be filtered or updated directly within your slides, offering a compelling and up-to-date way to present critical information. And now dashboards. These are your one-stop shop for key metrics. You can compile various reports into a single dashboard, making it easier to visualize and compare essential data points. That was quite a journey through some amazing Power BI tips and tricks. If you've got more insights or tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated with more such insightful videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Let's delve deeper. Thanks for watching.